What's the meaning of computing? Computing. Computing.
Computing. Computing. Computing refers to the use of computers or computing devices to perform various tasks such as data processing, storage, communication, and analysis. It involves the use of software and hardware components that work together to execute specific functions. Some common examples of computing include programming, web development, database management, and networking. The result of computing can vary depending on the specific task that is being performed. For instance, in data processing, computing can help to organize and analyze large amounts of information, providing insights and making it easier to make decisions based on the data. In programming, computing can be used to create software applications that automate tasks and improve efficiency. Overall, computing plays a vital role in modern society and has revolutionized the way we interact with technology.